Can your AI model game your model performance metric? That's what we're going to talk about today. Uh, in this talk, we'll discuss why just focusing on accuracy may not be the right thing. So, generally, people talk about accuracy as the main metric. However, there may be cases where just focusing on accuracy could be a bad idea. Let's talk about a case where our AI classification model predicts whether the patient has a disease or not. So, if the patient has a disease, it's predicted one, and if he doesn't have a disease, the model predicts zero. And on the vertical, you can see that what is the actual case of this patient. So, let's say there's like 1,000 people in your sample. So a very basic model which always predicts, let's say, zero all the time, that the person doesn't have a disease, has a 99% accuracy, right? And there's another model which uh, can predict other things besides zero. Uh, it also has some ones, some actual positive cases, has a lower accuracy, right? But in the first case, clearly this is not a good model because in all the cases when the person has a disease, the model is predicting just he doesn't have a disease, right? So uh, so accuracy, just looking at accuracies on model 1 and 2, it's not clear what is good one, right? But by deeper inspection, you can see that model 2 is definitely better, right? And you can capture this uh, this issue of accuracy not being the reliable metric and your model gaming it by these other metrics called precision and recall, and that's how the true positive, false positive, and false negative and true negative, all those come into play in calculation of precision and recall. So generally, if you have a really unbalanced data, you gotta be careful that your model also performs well on a minority class. It's possible that the prediction on the minority class, in this case the person having a disease, is super important compared to the prediction on the majority class, that is the person doesn't have a disease. Thank you.